Evolution. Consider a group of 12 red beetles that live in bushes with green leaves. Their population will grow by sexual reproduction and therefore can generate variations. Suppose the crow eats the beetles. The more beetles the crow eats, the fewer beetles are available to reproduce. Case 1. A color variation arises during reproduction, so that there is one beetle that is green in color instead of red. This beetle moreover can pass the color, so all its progeny beetles are green. Crows cannot see the green colored beetles on the green leaves of the bushes and therefore cannot eat them. The progeny of green beetles is not eaten, while the progeny of red beetles continues to be eaten. As a result, there are more and more green beetles than the red ones in the beetle population. Case 2. Again a color variation arises during reproduction, but now it results in a beetle that is blue in color. This beetle can pass the color on to its progeny so that all its progeny beetles are blue. Crows can see the blue colored beetles in the green leaves of the bushes as well as they can see the red ones and therefore can eat them. In the population as it expands, there are a few blue beetles but most are red. But at this point, an elephant comes by and stamps on the bushes where the beetles live. This kills most of the beetles. By chance, the few beetles that have survived are mostly blue. The beetle population slowly expands again, but now the beetles in the population are mostly blue. In both cases, what started out as a rare variation came to be a common characteristic in the population. In other words, the frequency of an inherited trait changed over generations. Now consider the case 3. In this case, as the beetle population begins to expand, the bushes start suffering from a plant disease. The average weight of adult beetles decreases, but there is no genetic change occurring. After a few beetle generations, the plant disease is eliminated. At this time, what would we expect the weight of the beetles to be? The beetles will grow in normal size.